Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be unboxing a couple of Bleach figures today. I never actually posted any of the Bleach figures that I got from Japan just because they were loose figures and they didn't have boxes. But overall, Bleach figures in Japan were really expensive. These two were purchased locally. This is the Renji Abarai So Zabimaru 1000-Year Blood War Op 2. This is the Ichigo Kurosaki 1000-Year Blood War Op 2. This one I find super cool. Actually, these are my partner's figures. He only wanted Ichigo, but I walked past this guy and I was like, this is definitely a must, and he ended up getting both. For the ones that we got in Japan, we got them at book offs. I won't get too much into that, but I'll put the link down below for those other videos. Let's just get right into the video and take a look at these amazing looking figures. both of them is still really, really good because they are Ichibansho figures. I'm kind of disappointed about this one. I kind of wish there was a little bit more considering how he's, you know, the main character. This one really blew me away. I'm really impressed. I like the colors and the different parts that it comes with. Keep in mind though that this arm is kind of loose when you put it on, so you want to really push it in slowly so you're not breaking anything. If it really doesn't stay, you can always put a little bit of putty in there. We've done that for one of our other Dragon Ball figures just to make sure that it stays and it doesn't fall off. Let me know in the comments below which one you guys liked more. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you guys later. Bye!